Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are talking about line plot chart. As I uploaded the videos that we are introducing ourselves to Matplotlib that we know, but in this video we are implementing a simple line plot chart that can be used for to data visualize in a good manner. So before much further ado, please subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon so to never miss an update. And let me go and show you what the line plot chart is with the example. And and to talk about what is line plot chart, basically a line chart or a line graph is a type of chart which displays information as a series of points as the word line plot define itself data points, and that data points called as markers, so connected by a straight line segments, and that marker is connected by a straight line segments. So a line chart is often used to visualize the data as I mentioned earlier. So without much further talk, let me import the the prestigious module that is Matplotlib. So I'm importing the module Matplotlib. One of the basic concept of Matplotlib is to be that have to be done line basic charts like bar chart, pie chart, anything else. So let me import an piplot, piplot, piplot as p. I'm importing as p. You can also do it by yourself, by anything else, and that p is variable. Simply p is stored all the matplotlib containments. So let me take a variable called y, and that y is, let me take a variable as years, okay, and full, let me fill on that is 2008, 2009, 2010, 2010, 2011, 2012, and 2013, the last one, 2013. Okay, it accepts because since it is a variable, it will be accepted. And the second variable I want to take as population, pop, let's say pop, and that would be equals to, let's say, 8 9 39007, and the second one is 8949008. Third one is 8959006, and the fourth one is 896 896 9004, 896 897 9004. How it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 7, another have to be done. 898 898 9 898 898 9005. So I taken as same as in year, the containment as same as in year also, at the population also. So the number of values in the year is same as the number of values in the population. Since it is a two-dimensional chart, it should have to be done by a two-dimensional method itself, so that only I'm representing the same value as in the year and pop. So let me take p dot plot, and it is plotting the value between years and pop, uh, it will execute it successfully. If it shows like this line, then it will be executed successfully in the 2D chart. So let me print out the title also. For my convenience, the title would be Ear versus Pop. Pop. Okay. Ears versus Pop. The title is successfully printed. So let me give the label as X label. X label as ear. Ear. And also let me give the Y label. Since it is two-dimensional chart, it should have to be contain the X and Y axis only. If it is a three-dimensional chart, then it will be also the Z axis. Since it is a two-dimensional, we require only X and Y axis. So it is completely labeled X and Y. So let me show up the program. What does it shows? So if I give the command show, it will be show the chart here completely. Then successfully the chart is showing the figure what I wanted to print out. So here you can see the X value is 2012. When X value is 2012, Y value is 89. Here if I point towards 2012, it will give the answer exactly, and it must goes on. If I wanted to change here, then that is also possible for me to change the detail itself. It is changes completely. 2014, 16, 17 also included, and zoom 14, 15, 17. It will goes on to up to infinity. So this is how you could able to print out the simple line chart, and that can be done easily. So this can be done easily. Here how you could now be able to print out the simple line graph using the simple code, and this is what the most prestigious Matplotlib is. And because of the simplest coding lines, it gives us the best results, and you can also use it in the business itself. So it is, and that's how we print out. And thank you so much for everything in this video, for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and thank you so much. And hit the like button, that makes me happier. Thank you very much.